whaingata ia oe ona tausa ili se tupe mo maliu. Whaipoiponga, a onga al whanau, ta avale, po o se whalifou.
Isa! Tahu! Bawa long nakamba! Kwa vili magay lewa bawa! Kopi manguele kapungia! Komperiro pen bawa ngay!
Fia mai lo ele Federal Pacific Finance lona ofisa au tu sa le ofi upolo polo na la la sa lunga sa vai.
Oi le! Ah! Saka kau le whainga ruenga!
Federal Pacific Finance, serving Samoa's financial needs.
Are you passionate in sports? Do you want to be a football ambassador?
We got good news for you. Sign up in our next National Women's Training Squad.
Preparing for the upcoming Nations Cup in November.
Sign up now for the upcoming Women's Nations Cup in November. Please contact us on 29993 or email at info.footballsamoa@gmail.com. See you there!
Thank you very much to Michael Swan. It's a very inspiring speech, and I'm sure will set new standards for the years to come.
Indeed, and I think it's very befitting that a shipping company is the sponsor of our very first export award tonight. And like he said, it will be the first of many, and I do hope that Pacific Forum Line will be here next year to support the next Samoa Export Award, right? Thank you, Mike Swan. But tonight, ladies and gentlemen, while we have Mike Swan here on stage, it is that time. We are going to present the first award for tonight, and I believe that is the Best Agriculture and Fisheries Export Award. Now, ladies and gentlemen, this needs no explanation, but just for your information on how it was judged, this award category considered primary and secondary agriculture and fisheries exports. The judges' assessments considered export growth, financial and business plans, marketing, strategic operations, and human resource capacity building. I will let you do the honors.
Well, this is the first award of the night, and I think we're starting to build up the excitement. We'll start off by calling out the 5 nominees for this category, and they are
Maialani Samoa, Saints Export, Pacific Oil Serenity Cocoa Samoa Limited, Samoa Tradition Farmers and Growers, and Wilex Samoa Limited. Temos continuar em votação de nominees. Nesse dia, nós temos a lista de novo filia. But our first runner-up for the Best Agriculture and Fisheries Export Award is, can we have the envelope? And
it's a beautiful envelope.
it's very beautiful indeed. It's black and gold, as is the theme color for tonight. But the most important thing is the name of the first runner-up within, and it is Wilex Samoa Limited.
The first runner-up award prize consists of a cash prize of 1,000 tala, a digital credit voucher of 100 tala, and wireless chocolates voucher worth 100 tala. So Wilex will be taking the old chocolates home.
I think Wilex needs to give us the chocolates as part of those prizes. Congratulations to Talanoa and Wilson and team at Wilex Samoa Limited. Can we have a representative to accept the award from Mike Swan? Ladies and gentlemen, please have our young gentleman here on stage. Congratulations. And now, the winner of the Agriculture and Fisheries Export Award is...
Pacific Oil Serenity Coco Samoa Limited. They're the winners of the Agriculture and Fisheries Award.
The management and team of Pacific Oil is making their way on stage. They will be winning chocolates from Wilex, digital credit voucher, cash prize of 2,000 tala, and a trophy from the Summit team. A round of applause, ladies and gentlemen. Congratulations, Pacific Oil. Captain and Mike Swan, enjoy the rest of the evening.
The next award is the Best Value Added Export Award. This award considered the applicants that produced the best value added export products. The assessment was based on factors including the scale of processing, value addition in form, and resulting final product. The judges' assessment considered largely export growth, financial and business plans, innovation, strategic operations, and employment creation from value addition.
May I call upon the Honourable Prime Minister? Right. May I call upon the Honourable Minister of Commerce, Industry and Labour to make his way up on the stage and present this prestigious award. My father love.
Well, the 5 nominees for this category are
Samoa Tradition Farmers and Growers, Chrissy Company Limited, Wilex Samoa Limited, Pacific Oil, Serenity Coco Samoa Limited, and Mailani Samoa.
And the first runner-up is Mailani Samoa.
the Best Value Added Export Award for the first runner-up consists of the following components. There's a cash prize of 1,000 tala, digital credit voucher of 100 tala, and Wilex chocolates voucher worth 100 tala.
Malola, kapatipati mai mo le woman malo ke o tulua i tatou lae hatole. And the winner of the Best Value Added Export Award is Chrissy Company Limited. For the winner of the Value Added Export Award, they will of course walk away with Wilex chocolates, digital credit voucher, cash prize of 2,000 tala, research grant from Strauss valued at 1,000 tala, and a trophy. Congratulations, Chrissy Samoa Limited. Baru faktai. Esok pagi-pagi mai faktai telur for Minister. These are all some of my favorite products, honestly. I particularly like the coconut oil from Maililani. I've tried the chocolates from Wilex. And Chrissy, my kids love Chrissy products, so I had to get them running afterwards, so after they eat a whole packet of 500 grams, but yeah.
After listening to you, I think I'm going to go on a shopping spree tomorrow.
Good. Well, what we have coming up next is the Best Emerging Exporter Award.
This award considered the business applicants that provided a service to support the export sector, including the entire export value chain. The judge's assessment was based largely on export growth, financial and business planning, and human resourcing.
And the 5 nominees are
Rogers Ironware and Craft, Saints Export, YS Samoa Limited, Samoa Tradition Farmers and Growers, and Maililani Samoa.
We would like to acknowledge our supporting sponsor for that category, ANZ Bank. Thank you very much for your support. And the runner-up for this particular award, the Best Export Support Services Award, is the Samoa Tradition Farmers and Growers Association.
I'd like to call a representative from ANZ to come and present this award. Thank you.
Yeah. Thank you very much to our ANZ team. So the runner-up, if we can have a representative from the Samoa Tradition Farmers and Growers Association to receive Wilex chocolates, Digicel credit voucher, and a cash prize of 1,000 tala. Do we have a representative for Samoa Tradition Farmers and Growers Association? No? Well, if you're not here tonight, please make your way to Summit office at the Methodist Building in Apia to collect your prizes and also register your company or your association for Summit for the rest of the year. Great benefits. Well, we do have a winner, of course, and the winner for the Samoa Best Support Services Award goes to once more Pacific Oil Serendi Cocoa Samoa Limited. You will all be hyped up with some more Wilex chocolates, Digicel credit voucher, a Digicel smartphone, a cash prize of 2,000 tala, and a trophy compliments of Summit. Congratulations to Pacific Oil. What do we have next, Talia?
So the next award that we have for the taking is the Best Emerging Exporter Award. Verona, if you can.
Yes, now this is a very important award. It considers new exporters that ventured into exporting in 2017, as well as existing exporters that have ventured into new markets last year. The judges also considered the long-term exporting aspirations of the eligible candidates, with their assessment largely based on financial and business planning, export growth, innovative techniques used in growing exports, and human resourcing. These all sound very difficult, and I do admire the 5 nominees for going through all that, completing it, submitting it, and now they are the 5 nominees for the Best Emerging Export Award for 2018. And they are
Rogers Ironware and Craft, Saints Export, YS Samoa Limited, Samoa Tradition Farmers and Growers, and Maililani Samoa.
Tele, and may I call upon the chairman of Digicel, Pepe Christian Freud, if you can please present this prestigious award, and also for our runner-up.
Just a slight correction. The previous award was supposed to be presented by Pepe Christian. This award was supposed to be presented by the head of commercial for ANZ. And the head of commercial for ANZ, Mr. Bob Turnbull. Apologies, Mr. Turnbull. It's one of those things. If Mr. World can do it, then we can do it as well.
Well, we're all one happy family, so let's welcome Pepe Christian Freud to present this award. Thank you, Mr. Turnbull. We will give you your turn this evening, but for our runner-up for tonight, wow, let's welcome once more on stage, Wilex Samoa.
And the award consists of cash prize, 1,000, Digicel credit voucher, and of course chocolates from Wilex, who will be giving it back to us to consume.
And the winner for the Best Innovation Award 2018 goes to the Emerging Export Award, rather, goes to the Samoa Tradition Farmers and Growers Association. I love the name. Samoa Tradition Farmers and Growers Association. Speaks volumes.
Congratulations.
And I hope that somebody has arrived from the Samoa Farmers and Growers Association. No? All right.
The prize consists of the trophy, just for our information, the cash prize of 2,000 tala, which they have now missed on, the credit voucher, 100 tala, and of course Wilex chocolates. Thank you very much to the sponsors.
Thank you. I'm sorry, Pepe. Thank you very much for gracing our stage with your presence. But congratulations all the same to our winner. And now,
the next award, the Best Innovation Export Award.
and this award is in recognition of exporters who adopted new innovative methods, sustainable new ideas, and unique processes in developing their export business. The judges mainly considered the business growth in export sales, financial and business plans, innovative use of new methods and sustainable ideas, international certifications such as HACCP, ISO, organic, and employment creation. Now, if you're in the export world, these terms are like ABC to you. So, congratulations to the 5 nominees who are
Treasure Box Limited, Mailani Samoa, Pacific Oil Serenity Coco Samoa Limited, Wilex Samoa Limited, and Saints Export.
Thank you very much, and I'd like to call Her Excellency Ms. Amanda Jewell, the Acting Australian High Commissioner, if she's in the house, to please present this award.
Thank you, Your Excellency. Would you like to...
And the winner is...
Can we have a drum roll, please? Mailani Samoa. Please be informed that we only have one winner for this particular category, and they will receive, I bet you Wilex that is right there. I am honestly envious of the winners of these Wilex chocolates. So the innovation winner receives Wilex chocolates, Digicel credit voucher, a development grant from Pharma, who supported this category, worth 7,000 tala and trophy. Congratulations, Mailani. As the minister and also Mike Swan had alluded to earlier, about all this preparation, the great ideas and everything, we need the money. Money talks. And there you have it. Mailani has received a grant from Farmer. Malulava Farmer for your support for tonight's Export Award. And up next, Teriyai. And like every show, every award, we have a commercial break. And this is a great time for us to have our dinner. Are you hungry?
Very hungry.
Very hungry?
But
we have a job to do, so we'll be starving for the rest of the evening, right? But the ladies and gentlemen in the house, you will get to enjoy a scrumptious meal prepared by Tamesina this evening. Please enjoy, and please feel free to rise from your tables, network with the next door neighbor, your next table, and find out how you can export some more great products that we have. Also, make your way out to the foyer. We have some great displays there from our local exporters. We have Treasure Box, we have Savai Popo, we have Susana Samoa. There's only a few here. There's only a few that have been nominated tonight, but I promise you there is so much more of the exporters in Samoa that are not here tonight. But tonight, you are here, we are here to honor them and celebrate the ones that have been nominated for tonight. So don't forget, next year, the registration, I think, are open for next year's award. Go right to Summit tomorrow. Well, tomorrow's Saturday, but make it Monday. Go and register with Summit and make sure that you get some more information as to how you can get the great opportunities that are there. If not, MSIL is also available. We have the Central Bank of Samoa. We have the whole group, the power group behind this award every year. And I promise you, Samoa is going to go places, if not already, they're going to go further than the Atlantic, perhaps, to export all these great goods that we have. But enjoy the meals tonight, ladies and gentlemen. We will hand it back to the DJ to play us some great music, so you don't have to hear our voices for the next 10